Why do people invest in markets? To get better returns, right? But we all know how difficult it is to find the right stock or mutual fund which consistently beats the category index benchmark and gives better returns. In such a scenario, what if someone says that they have been continuously beating the industry benchmark over the last 15 years and that too for any 7-year blocks? You do sit up and notice, right? Well, that's what ETMoney Genius claims. So in today's video, we'll find out what ETMoney Genius is and how it claims that it is consistently giving you higher returns than the benchmark. Hi, I'm Nishant and I welcome you to Save More Money, where we simplify personal finance and help you become financially independent. If you are new, please remember to subscribe our channel, and if you find the video useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Let's get started. So friends, first let us understand what ETMoney Genius is. In simple language, ETMoney Genius is a personalized investment advisory solution. What does that mean? That means that ETMoney Genius understands you, your risk-taking abilities, your goals, your time horizons, your investment avenues, and basis that it will create an investment advice for you which is personalized based on your profile. And using that particular investment advice, if you invest in the markets, there are high chances that you will get better returns out of it. Now, normally such sort of personalized investment advisory is only given to high net individuals, HNIs. But ETMoney Genius is trying to bring this particular service to masses through their ETMoney Genius membership. So you might wonder, why is ETMoney Genius doing this? Well, in India, investment is more of a luck-based approach for most of the investors. We do invest in markets, but most of us invest basis recommendations from our friends, family members, relatives, colleagues, neighbors, TV anchors, newspapers, social media influencers, or anyone else. We hardly take the time or the pain to do the technical analysis, research of a company we want to invest in, to understand the geopolitical conditions, the macroeconomic conditions of the market, to try and understand what are the factors which might impact the pricing, to do the valuation of the company, to understand the charts, the stock prices, the EPS, the ROIs and other metrics and other things. We do not have that much time or the capability, and that is how most of the traders in India are. They just understand little things and they invest, and that becomes a game of luck wherein you get good returns on few, but majority of the returns are either very average or people end up making losses. This is where ETMoney Genius tries to help people by reducing their anxiety, by removing all the technical analysis or pain of doing the investments, and giving people a simple solution via which they can get higher returns. Now let's understand how ETMoney Genius works. So what ETMoney Genius does is that when you subscribe to ETMoney Genius membership, the first step is that it will try to understand you as a person. So it will give you a multiple choice questionnaire wherein you have to answer few set of questions, and basis that ETMoney Genius will try to understand who are you, what is your risk taking ability, how much of profits or losses can you withstand, what are your time horizons, what is your investment strategy or investment style. And basis all of these, ETMoney Genius will start recommending you the investment options. There are basically 6 types of portfolio strategies which ETMoney Genius offers. These are high growth strategy, balanced plus strategy, balanced strategy, stable strategy, and shield strategy. So these 6 strategies form the basis of ETMoney Genius. And how are these strategies different from one another? Well, these are based on the time horizon. So a high wealth strategy might be for someone who has long time horizon to achieve his goals. For example, 10 years or something like that. While a shield strategy might be for someone who has his goal approaching in 2 to 3 years. So every strategy has some time period which is very clearly mentioned on the ETMoney website. So for each of these 6 strategies, you can invest either via the index mutual funds or via a combination of stock plus ETFs. So in total, you get 12 strategies to invest in. Allocation happens into a combination of equities, which is the Indian equity and the foreign equity, debt and gold. So ETMoney Genius automatically has a percentage calculation based on your risk profile as well as based on the time horizon, and it distributes your investment money into each of these categories. So for example, a shield strategy that will have more exposure to the debt component and less exposure to the equity component. Similarly, a growth strategy might have more exposure to the equity component and less exposure to the debt component. However, the percentage of exposure keeps changing from time to time based on the market conditions. So ETMoney Genius keeps an eye on the market conditions, the economic conditions, the factors which can impact the prices or stock markets, and many other things, including the past historical data, and basis that it tries to determine how it can give better returns or improve the portfolio returns. Also note that as you start approaching your goal, your allocation into equities, debt and gold keep changing. Debt takes more prominence and equities reduce in the percentage. Once you subscribe, you start investing. You can invest either via SIP mode or via lump sum mode. ETMoney Genius under each of the portfolio strategies will tell you what is the minimum investment amount. Normally for SIP mode in mutual funds, you have the investment amount starting from 5,000 rupees for any of the investment strategies. But for stocks, the starting amount is somewhere around 25,000 for high growth, and it can go even up to 1 lakh or 2 lakhs for the shield category. The best way is to start investing via SIP. Every month, ETMoney Genius will automatically send you a reminder that your SIP is due, and when you log in into the website, it will also give you a pop-up saying that this is the current market conditions. This is how you can rebalance your portfolio to get better returns. And it will ask you whether you want to rebalance your portfolio or not. If you click yes, ETMoney Genius will automatically take care of rebalancing the portfolio and you do not have to do anything. So it's as simple as clicking one button to be able to rebalance the portfolio and keep on track of getting better returns or higher returns. If you believe on what ETMoney Genius is claiming, then it is saying that out of last 15 years, if you pick up any 7-year block, it is giving you an annual return of 16%, and that is higher than the industry benchmark. ETMoney Genius is also claiming that via its subscription model, you can get up to 80% higher returns by taking up to 30% less risk. And the best thing is there will be protection of up to 40% from the worst fall. Claiming higher returns than industry benchmark is not very difficult. People can do that. But claiming higher returns for any 7-year block in the last 15 years, well, that's something which is seriously good. And I'm saying that because last 15 years has seen many things, including economic recession and worst of all, COVID. You all know how market was impacted in COVID and what had happened. So under such scenarios, if anyone is giving 16% returns across any 7 years period, that's something to be proud of. Since there's automatic distribution between equity, debt and gold every month, you can be rest assured that you will reduce on your losses and you will have higher chances of getting the profits. Well, to be honest, it is not similar to small cases, and I have already created a short video giving you the differences between ETMoney Genius and small cases. The link is in the description and also at the I button at the top. You can view that, and if you want detailed information about the differences, Let me know in the comments and I'll create a separate video on that. But in short, my simple answer is that ETMoney Genius focuses on time-bound goals to help you get better returns, while SmallCases focuses on themes or sectors to get better returns. Well, if you are someone who constantly keeps worrying about when to invest, where to invest, how much to invest, which mutual fund or stock to buy, when to rebalance or how to rebalance your portfolio, and many such questions, then ETMoney Genius is a godsend gift for you. Do not hesitate and subscribe to it. You can get this particular membership at a monthly price of 249 rupees. And now I think there is some offer going on under which you can get it for as low as 149 rupees. To get started, you can click on the link given in my description section. That's it guys. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, this is Nishant signing off. Bye, take care, tada.